Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to work with IFC and SketchUp converter, how to download it, install it and convert your files into XR files. First we go to Xuver homepage and we find the board download plugin. We click on download. We select our operating system, Windows or Mac, and we select converter for SketchUp and IFC. We download it. I'll save it on desktop. It's done. Here it is. We extract it and we install it. Yes. Accept the terms, next, and create shortcut. Install. It's done. Here it is.